Hello and welcome. This is Dr. Pauline Fu. This lecture describes Chapter 4, Descriptive Statistics. Section 1, Central Tendency. The central tendency is the extent to which a set of data around a typical value or central value. Normally, we will use X bar represent the average or the mean of set of the data. The formula for X bar, you add all the X together divided by number of X. For example, if I have test 1 mark for QMS 1 or 2 as the following. Those are the individual student mark. Okay, and I ask you to calculate the average of the mark. So you use X bar, you add, so first of all, write down the formula, then plug in the number. This is the sigma. Sigma means add all the X together. So those are the all X value divided by 5. Okay, so I want to use a calculator. You have to use the normal calculator lesson. Okay. So go back, go to the home page, the main menu. Use run march. You have to use bracket first. So type in 75 plus 65 plus 71 plus 84 plus 59 closing bracket divided by 5. The result 70.8. Okay. So this is the average for those 5 students. In this example, we assume the given data is a sample. How about if I assume the given data is population? You have to use different notation. For sample, we use X bar represent mean, and population, we use mu. Sample size, lower letter n, population size, capital letter N. Okay, and the same example, those numbers, if I give you the condition that those 5 numbers are population, so you have to use mu equal to sigma xi divided by capital N, means size for population. So you would get the same result, it's just different notation in the formula. Okay, and you still get 70.8. Okay, so this is a brief introduction about the mean. Sometimes the data given is not that straightforward. For example, last semester, I was teaching 4 sections of QMS 1 or 2. So basically, I have QMS 1 or 2. Section 1, Section 2, Section 3, Section 4. In each section, I have number of students in each section. Section 1, I have 80 students, 77 in Section 2, 81 Section 3, 83 Section 4. And I have an average mark for each section. Average test 1. For section 1, it is 62. Section 2, 59, Section 3, 67, Section 4, the class average, 65. Okay, so those are the given data. Now I ask you to calculate overall average across all sections. So calculate overall average for all sections. In this example, we need to use a new formula. That formula is weighted mean. We still use X bar. It is the weight times X, add them all, divided by all the weight are together. Now, we have W is the X value. W is the weight, X is the mark. The important distinction between W and X is that look at the question. The question asks you calculate overall average mark. So it is average mark. Mark must be your X. Naturally, weight is the number of students in each class. Okay. Once you identify this, you can use the calculator. So the calculator, you need two lists. One list is W, the other list is X. Okay. So now I go back to statistical mode. And I need to create two lists. But I need to delete some lists first. So I may use list I have some useful data on my list 3 and list 6. So I will delete list 6, F6, F4, then F1. List 6 was deleted. Next, I will delete list 3, so F4, delete. Now I have list 3 and list 6 available. For list 3, I enter W, number of students. So it is 80 EXE, 77 EXE, 81 EXE, 83 EXE. So I finish enter data W. Now I will enter data for X. X is the average test 1 mark, 62. Enter, or EXE. 59 EXE, 67 EXE, 65 EXE. Okay, so everything is ready. Remember, list 3 is my W, list 6 is my X. And now, make sure you are at your home page by press F6. Home page means F1 represent graph, F2 calculation, F3 test, F4 interval, F5 distribution. Okay. Now press F2 button. After that, press F6, set. One variable X list. Remember which one is my list? List 6 is my X, so I have to select list 6 is my X. Next, one variable frequency. Press F2, select a list. List 3 is my frequency, means the weight. Okay. After that, you press EXE key, and then press F1. Now you get the average. Equal to 63.32. Okay, 63.32. That's all for calculate weighted mean. Thanks for watching.